Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about machine learning engineering interview and interview questions and answer. I'll discuss so that it would be helpful for those who are preparing for machine learning engineering interview. So the live discussion will discuss and will ask some question with a my colleagues, and my colleague will give the answer. So we'll discuss the live discussion with someone. So stay tuned to watch this video if you are preparing for machine learning interview, and if you are trying to crack this interview. So I would request to watch all the machine learning interview question answer discussion whatever I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. So stay tuned to watch this video as well.
Related we do actually take care of AI and BI. So here we develop a product called Revision. So Revision is a video analytics solutions. Um, so we use a deep learning computer vision for this to provide the video analytics solution. So what we do is we directly connect to the CCTV cameras and we try to detect the violations. So what this violation is called as we try to detect the PP violations. So if they are not wearing their PP kits properly, it calls as a violation and it will be notified to the supervisor. So it's like currently you manually a human being has been doing the audit for that, and we are replacing our solution with that, and we will be doing not only for a single camera, it will be like hundreds of camera. So we will have different servers, each and every server can handle up to 12 cameras. And so what we do is we segregate our solution into four applications. The application one is a parser application, which gets the CCTV feed, uh, live CCTV feeds using RTSP protocol, and it converts the image to bytes and store the bytes in Redis. We are using Redis for storing the data, and we're using RabbitMQ as a queuing system. And it'll once the image has been saved in the Redis as a bytes, then it will actually uh, post a message to a RabbitMQ topic. So this particular application runs for 12 instances, so that 12 cameras feeds will be getting, and we'll be storing the image, and we will post a message in a RabbitMQ topic. And the second application is getting triggered, and which is nothing but a human detection. It tries to uh, get the image, do the human detection model, apply the human detection model, and if human is detected, it will once again post a message in a different RabbitMQ topic, which will trigger the application 3. Application 3 is our custom PP model, which we have trained. So it will once again do the detection and try to find is there any violation is there or not. If violation is detected, it will post a message in a different RabbitMQ topic. That is the final one, which is aggregation. So we actually connect to the CCTV camera, and it has 10 frames per second. It runs as a 10 frames per second. So what we can't send every frame notification to the supervisor. So the person might be standing there for 3 seconds or 10 seconds or a minute. So what we do is we consolidate all the violations and send them as single violation. So this is what our application does, and it can be either completely on-prem or on-prem plus cloud. It's based on the client. We actually create a solution like that, and so we also have an app for viewing the latest violation, and Power BI report will be generated. So I was part of the development of this, and we use the YOLO model, and we use a PyTorch for implementation of it. So initially what happened was we were getting many false positives. So when they are standing facing like the side pose is visible, at that time we were getting in false positive. So what we did was we identified the interest area for each and every camera, and that particular portion alone will be sent for the detection. And when they are on this side, when their completely back portion is visible, these kind of frames are being ignored. So we were able to overcome the first two like that.
Okay, all right. So can you explain the architecture of TensorFlow? Or I mean the major architecture works of three primary principle. Could you please explain that three major principle architecture of TensorFlow? Only simply TensorFlow architecture you explain.
Okay. So TensorFlow is one of the framework for implementing the uh, co- for deep learning. So for computer vision, like we use CNN. Do you want the CNN architecture for TensorFlow?
Yeah, you can explain as well. Yeah, you can.
Yeah. CNN, like, so what happens is when we have a frame, first it will do a convolution layer, then pooling layer, then it will apply the normalization, then it will do the fully connected layer, then it will give the output. This is how it will be. So in convolution layer, so we will use the kernel, and for example, it's going to be 216 into 216. We apply 3 plus 3 as a one of the filter or kernel. So what it does is it does a matrix multiplication, and it finally calculates a pixel value and add that value, and it creates a new new dimension reduction version of that particular image. Then the pooling layer will happen. We'll apply straight to 2 cross 2. For example, if we are applying it once again, it'll try to get the maximum value from there, like max pooling, and it will actually add the value, and once again it will reduce, and we apply the activation function, and where there are different activation functions are there. So once that has been done, then we will do the fully connected layer. From that, it will be connected to the output layer.
Okay, all right. Could you please tell me the difference between lemmatization and steaming?
um, that particular string into different uh, for we have a string, we will split that.
Okay. Okay, could you please tell me what is the I mean define ML ops and how it is different from data science?
Okay, so ML ops is like uh, training. So whether we have a model or we are going to train our own model, and so we are going to deploy it across different servers. What we have, so using Kubernetes, using Docker. So we will do that. It's majorly like maintaining and monitoring the models.
Okay.
So when so currently we have a version 1 of the model. If you want to update with the version 2, so without any downtime, so we can directly uh, update the new model. So handling that person is called as a ML ops.
Okay. How can we use your machine learning skill to generate the revenue? Could you please explain?
Okay. So revenue as a point. So first we need to find out. Um, so what is the business impact which we are going to make?
Mm-hmm.
So we need to identify the issues. We need to understand it and
Okay.
how useful it's going to be, and what is a so whether the market is actually for example, if there is any manual intervention work is going on. So if we are going to automate it with our solution, or if we are able to give a prediction which which has a very good business impact, so we can generate a revenue.
Okay. Could you
Basically,
please?
we need to also convince our stakeholders about how our solution will have an impact.
Okay. All right. Could you please give me example of matrix products? What is the condition for matrix product?
Okay, metrics for a product.
Yeah, matrix products.
Okay. You mean to say like for a particular product which we are going to sell, for that what is the metrics we will see? Is that the one?
My question is, let me repeat.
Yeah.
Give an example of matrix product.
Okay.
What is the condition for matrix product?
Matrix product.
Yeah,
Matrix multiplication.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So um, we need to have a two matrix,
Mm-hmm.
um, and so it's called as a dot product.
Mm-hmm.
And if we have 3 cross 3 and 3 cross 3, if we multiply it, we'll get another 3 cross 3 matrix.
Hmm.
So the rows and columns will get multiplied and the sum will be added, and likewise the matrix multiplication will work.
Okay. Is it possible to deploy and train model on your local machine?
Okay. Train a model and deploy it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can train a model locally, but it needs to have a sufficient hardware for it.
Mm-hmm.
And a deployment also we can do, because like we have we will use a Docker. So basically, we can connect it and we can run it using Kubernetes.
Okay. One scenario question I'm just asking you.
Yeah.
For example, we are capturing video data and audio data and image.
Yeah, okay.
We wanted to separate these three and cleaning that three unnecessary data I want to clean. So, what are the process and how to do that?
Okay, we have three data: video, image, and audio.
Yeah,
So we want to clean it.
yeah.
Okay, you want to club the three into single one, and is it like that?
Club into three in single one, then
Single one.
different. I mean, separated after cleaning, separated with different one.
Okay, three merge into single data, and once again split that into three data.
Three data. Yes, correct.
Okay. Okay, how do we do that?
How do you do that?
Okay, so audio, video, and image. Okay, as a single data.
Yeah.
So image can be converted into bytes,
Mm-hmm.
or all the three we can convert into base 64, and then we can append the base 64 and we can split it once again and convert from base 64 to the file.
Yeah, thank you for watching my YouTube channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So today's discussion, like the machine learning interview question answer for job readiness. So I hope this round of discussion will be helpful for your job readiness. So all the best for your interview. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for new updated video.